Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a credit card. Processing is temporarily unavailable. You may continue to browse the store. Please try to make your purchase later. For example, if you try to provide parental consent to connect one of your family to your account on iPhone on an Apple ID. So you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to close this page, and after closing the page, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings, you have to simply go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open your neighbor Apple ID here, and here you have to simply open media and purchase it, and here you have to simply check your payment methods, which means if you want to check whether your payment is available or not, which means you have provided any payment method or not. If you have already provided the payment method, then you can simply check whether it is correct or not, and after that you can simply check for the payment method. After providing here your password, you can simply check your payments, and if it is any kind of error related to payment, then you can simply add a new payment method, and after that you can simply try again adding your family members to your Apple ID account. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the App Store, and in App Store you have to simply try to purchase from that family members iPhone, and after that you have to simply check whether they are available to purchase anything on App Store or not, which means they are connected to your account or not. But if they are still not connected, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you can simply connect to the Apple Store, and you can simply ask them to solve your problem. And moreover, you can also connect to the Apple discussion and ask the iPhone user what they have done after facing this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.